learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
According to the lunar calendar, the Hakka Yimin Cultural Festival takes place late in the 7th month. There are many activities that build up to the festival, as well as afterward, which makes this celebration last nearly an entire month. To celebrate, the Hakka people float lanterns in bodies of water, making offerings and raise large pigs for sacrificing to the local deity. In recent years, Hsinchu County organizers have come up with new ways to break away from the traditional pig sacrifices by putting together a creative pig painting contest as a fun, environmental, and artistic event. Not only is it better for the pigs, it also fits with modern views against animal cruelty. No matter your age, young and old alike can partake in this decorative event.Hey,
it's time for Talk About Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿斌哥Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. This is actually the month of the Ghost Month. 现在刚好是这个农历7月哈。
对，
在农历7月上面呢，不讲鬼月的话，至少还有一个七夕啊，对不对？
对啊，七夕那很美啊，对不对？
但是好像在客家文化里面还有一个义民节，怎么讲？
义民节，
对了，
对客家人来说，这意义非常的重大。
See, we're going to talk about a festival.During this month, and this month happens to be because according to the lunar calendar, it's the 7th month, so it's Ghost Month, and that's why you see a lot of bye-byes outside. But with the Hakka people, there's actually another festival that's going on, and it's called Yiming Festival, 就是 Yiming Cultural Fest.
它在农历的7月20号。
Oh, so this festival usually takes place around the 20th day of the 7th lunar month.
只要有客家人地区几乎到了这个7月20号都会有义民节的相关的庆典活动。
今天要带我们去的是，
我们今天来去那个新竹县，
新竹县，
对，新竹县的义民文化祭。
新竹县 that's again 新竹 County. Nimin is the name of the god, okay, 就是我们的这位神。然后呢，文化祭 that's cultural festival.
其实它有办很多很多的活动呢，像譬如说开坛风帆一定都会有嘛。然后还有放水灯、标水灯的活动
，floating water lanterns. That's something that's fun to do. 然后好像还有彩绘活动嘛，对不对？
对啊，彩绘神猪比赛。
Okay, there's a creative pig painting contest as well. So it's really for the whole family, and go check it out yourself. All right. Again, it's 新竹县义民文化祭。
新竹县义民文化祭。
新竹县义民文化祭。And there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.